In this section, let's discuss the autocomplete widget. If you have already done Google search, you have seen the autocomplete feature. In Google search engine, when you start typing something, you will see a list populating based on the characters you enter. So you will get some suggestions. If you want, you can just select an item from the given list or even complete your own search query. So similar to this, the autocomplete widget offered by jQueryUI will help you populate a list based on the characters you enter in an input area. So let's see that. For that, first we need an input element. So first let me add a label. So label 4. I'm going to add the names of the countries. So let me specify this as countries and let the text be countries. Okay, and I'm going to add a text box. So input ID needs to be the value of 4 here. This is for grouping the label and corresponding input element. So countries, and I need it to be a text box. So type equals text. Okay, now let's see that. Save, refresh. See, I'm seeing countries and also a text box. Next, to add the autocomplete widget, we actually need to have some source so that we can populate the list from that source. So let me try to add some countries in an array. So where country, I'm going to specify the name of the variable as country, and let me add some countries names. Okay, so you can get the list from different sites. I'm getting the list of countries from this site, state.gov misc/list, and I'm not going to enter all the countries because it will be a huge list. I'm going to select some countries in random. So let me copy Angola. It needs to be in double quotes, right? This is a string value. Then Cambodia. You can select whatever countries you want and do it as you like. Okay, now I have created the array with 13 country names: Angola, Cambodia, Germany, Kuwait, Nepal, Switzerland, Zimbabwe, United Kingdom, Sweden, Philippines, Malaysia, Liberia, and India. So this is the array of countries. Now to create an autocomplete effect, what we need to do, we have to add hash countries because I want to add it to this text box. So $hash countries will select the text box dot autocomplete. Okay, and within this, as an option, I need to add source because this is the source and I have to specify the name of the array. Here it is country. So here I need to specify country. And now let's see. Save. Let me refresh. Let me enter A. See, you are seeing all the countries with the character A. Here A is there 2 times. Cambodia A is there 2 times. Germany A once, Kuwait A once, Nepal A once, Switzerland A once, Zimbabwe A once, Malaysia 1, 2, 3 A 3 times, Liberia once, India once. Suppose I enter N, then see it filters the list again that contains the characters A, N together. So in Angola you can see A, N. In Germany, AN, then in Switzerland, AN. Suppose if I enter D, it is showing Switzerland only. Again, if I enter A, it will not show any item, which means there is no country with characters A, N, D, A together. Suppose instead of A, I enter B. See, 3 countries are there: Cambodia, Zimbabwe, and Liberia. If I enter E, only Liberia appears. Suppose I enter F, no country is there in the list we have provided. Okay, that is why no country name appears. Then if I enter H, yes, Philippines is there. Z, It said no country, just said Switzerland and Zimbabwe. So here, as you see, the autocomplete widget displays the pre-populated list that matches the characters entered by the user. So this is something similar to Google's auto suggest. It is actually a version of autocomplete. And in the following lectures, we will see different options we can have and also different events that will get triggered in case of an autocomplete widget.